What are you painting today, Baba? Hmm. The painter just left. Must be going for milk. He's back. Stopped painting. Has already his breakfast. You paint here. That's where you paint. Yes. Yes. The painter is tired. Creativity has run out.
There goes Israel Archie Mogaka, the painter. Introducing the youngest painter in town. He's observing all the code of ethics when it comes to painting. He's got his gloves. Yeah. Protective gear. Easy. What are you doing for us today? Compared to this art to Da Vinci's piece of art, the strokes are quite similar. There is a definite pattern happening right here. Can't wait to see how it ends.
It's going to be $1 million.
Yeah.
Must feature in the London Museum of Art.
Can you see how he strokes his brushes?
They must be auctioned. Many people think it's the best art you've ever seen in the world.
Perhaps you could paint me next when you're done with that.
It's about to express himself in art.
At the young age of just 2 years and 11 months, a boy has already realized his talent.
Picasso.
Amazing, just amazing.
Some people say Picasso started like this. I think he is better than Picasso.
A stroke of genius, a stroke of spirit.
Just let him just express himself.
And his expression is so beautiful. Never rush your artists. Oh no, it went
Oh no, what happened, Archie? You didn't like the stroke you took?
Oh, it's adorable. I don't know if you guys can see like some kind of a swan in there. It's like koi fish, I don't know. But you know, it's all about the perspective of the viewer. This is an abstract art. I think Dennis Mogaka can explain more about that. You know, with abstract, the perspectives are so many.
You can interpret it whichever way you want.
Yeah. The interpretations can be as many as the viewers. So,
Absolutely.
you guys, I'm seeing a person who's like a swan, who looks like koi fish. And some kind of Mona Lisa aspects of the strokes. I need you to bring this home. Yeah? I'm just gonna buy it right now. I have my checkbook right here.
We are standing by to pay for it.
Pay for it, whatever amount you want.
It's going to be a very tight auction.
Yeah.
I'm also interested.
The bidders are many, but you guys, I assure you, no one is gonna outbid me.
The first art to be auctioned while it's being painted. Oh wow, this is going to be a Guinness Book of Records. Painter just standing there. Oh.
Okay.
So beautifully amazing.
This boy Archie, he doesn't express himself so much in words as he does in arts.
It's amazing. It's just so amazing. Here we go, Archie.
I think he's done. He's giving us the brushes. After you frame it, it's just gonna be pseudo. This is art right here. Your last thoughts on this? Israel.
What was your inspiration?
What was your inspiration to do this art?
So he seems to yearn for more brush.
Who? Israel, Archie? Who inspires you?
See
Is it your father? Do you know any other artists out there? Yeah, talk to them. Yes. He speaks.
That's it, Mona Lisa.
Yeah. Words of wisdom. They may not be many words, but they speak deep.
Yeah.
The deepest words I've ever heard. So, you can tell us what you think of this art. It's amazing.
It's amazing abstract. I've not seen it before.
Do you guys see that peacock in there? Looks like the African woman, like a peacock, a beautiful peacock, dawning. Thank you so much, Israel, for this piece of art.
Are you up now? Can you go now, please? You want the edgements?
Yeah.
Your father takes over.
After
You
a
did a
day
wonderful
of
job. Proud of you. Congratulations on your first.